Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make romantic wall self in SketchUp. Okay, we have to, first of all we have to make a existing wall anyway, with the size as we want or as proportional as possible. Okay, and then we can make the proportional wall first. Okay, maybe something like this. Okay, first of all, we can make the basic shape with the line anyway. We can make a basic shape with the line, on, or maybe we can make a basic shape with the rectangle also. Then we can just erase this plain area, and then we can make the another shape anyway. Maybe we can use polygon, and we can type the side 3 and enter. Okay, and we can just make this, then we can erase some unnecessary line, and then we can explode to curve and delete this top line anyway, and then we can make the another shape again. Maybe we can use this and duplicate it to the another position with a move and press Ctrl to our keyboard. Then we can set line, or maybe we can erase it first, and then we can make the thickness of each alphabet one by one. We can offset it inside around 30 millimeter maybe, and then we can close this line anyway. Then we can set the another incomplete self. Then we can offset it inside around, offset around 30 millimeter and close this incomplete line pattern, and also this, so it will be edit one by one. We can offset it again one by one. Then we can close the incomplete pattern, basic pattern anyway. Then we can we can we can move it first to the another position. Okay, to make sure that this is fulfilled. If it doesn't fill, you can delete it, and we can offset it again around 30 millimeter. Then we can erase it. Then we can push it to the back around 300 millimeter and make it group, and we can move it to the wall surfaces. Okay, and then we can push it to the front and push it another to the we can push it another to the front also, and we can push it another to the front also. Then we can make it group one by one. Okay, and we can make material. Maybe we can use the wood material. We can use this to make it more rustic and natural look. So we can arrange this romantic wall self in our desired area. Maybe we can place on this area maybe. Okay, and then we can place to the correct position of it. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and maybe we can set the wall decoration with this. Okay, or with this and this, or maybe we can use this to make good decoration. Okay, thanks for watching. Wait for my next video. Thank you.